The Rond de Jambe, or round of your leg, is an exercise that can really start to loosen up those hip sockets. If we remember, we have two types of joints in our body. One is called what we call a hinge. It's kind of like a door. Your elbow, your knees, and the tips of your fingers are all hinge joints. Have a think and see if you can think of any other hinge joints that you've got. It means that with the tips of your fingers, you can only push it forward and back. Just like with a door, you can open it or close it. You can't swoosh it up in a different movement. Your hips are a ball and socket joint. So your hip sits here, and then the top of your leg bone sits into it. And this means that you can rotate everything around. Now we know that in that ball and socket joint, that means that we can work in turnout for ballet, which is part of our craft. So this Rond de Jambe will help you to get that turnout going, but it will also help with your flexibility and other movements, slow, which is adage, and the quicker ones. Rond de Jambe exercise, we are going to start in first position, and our arm, we're going to just do something really, really basic. The arm through first and out to second. We are going to start with a battement tendu devant, which means forward, and point it on the floor. Then we're going to circle it out to second position. Keep the circle going around to the back, then close it in first. Got it? So it goes 1 and up, 2 and up, 3 and up, 4. Then we do it again, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then we're going to do some quicker ones. So we're going to go straight round and 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, close 8. Now it's really important, as I've said, to remember to pull up out of the hips. If you sink into the ground on this one, then you're going to really feel an ache in the hip of the leg you're standing on. Now we're going to do it going the other way. So this time we're going to point to the back, to the side. Make sure your heel is forward, to the front, close in first, to the back, to the side, to the front, close in first. Now these straight rounds, we go straight round. Make sure you hit first position, straight round, and hold, straight round, and close.